Buried deep beneath more than 1,100 feet of freezing, pitch-black Antarctic water, there is a hidden, unexpectedly bustling metropolis. This site represents millions of individual structures that until recently were considered impossible. Its discovery forces a rethink of the biological limits of Earth's most hostile environment. For millennia, the Weddell Sea remained a world in total isolation, sealed beneath a 650-foot thick ceiling of solid ice. That isolation ended in 2017 when the A68 iceberg, a 5,800 square kilometer chunk of ice, broke away from the Larsen Sea ice shelf, exposing the dark ocean underneath for the first time in recorded history. This sudden opening allowed the 2019 Weddell Sea expedition to enter the area. They deployed a remote-operated vehicle, nicknamed Lassie, to descend into the newly reachable abyss. The massive iceberg's departure created a brief, unprecedented opportunity for scientific research, but it also left an untouched ecosystem vulnerable to external forces that had been locked out for thousands of years. When Lassie reached the seafloor, its cameras captured thousands of mysterious, bowl-shaped craters appearing out of the darkness. While the rest of the seabed was covered in a thick blanket of plankton detritus, these depressions were meticulously clean, with the sediment cleared away to reveal the floor beneath. These craters are organized into distinct geometric patterns, clusters, crescents, and precise U-shaped lines. Researchers believe this high density of nests serves a protective function, disrupting deep-sea predators, or using decoy sites to draw them away from active eggs. This level of spatial organization indicates that the deep seafloor can support complex, engineered habitats that require constant, active maintenance. The architects of this colony are notothenioid icefish, a group of species that has evolved to thrive in subzero Antarctic waters. They survive these temperatures using specialized proteins in their blood that act as biological antifreeze, preventing their internal fluids from turning to ice. The colony relies on upwellings of modified warm deep water pooling across the Weddell Shelf. This current makes the water up to 2 degrees Celsius warmer, providing the thermal stability needed for a single adult fish to guard an average of 1,735 eggs. By synchronizing their biology with this rare thermal upwelling, the icefish have established a specialized incubator that cannot be replicated in the surrounding ocean. This is the most expansive continuous fish breeding colony ever discovered, covering 240 square kilometers of the Filchner Trough. Within that area, researchers estimated a total of 60 million active nests, representing a concentrated fish biomass of over 60,000 tons. This concentration of life draws in predators from the surrounding region, including Weddell seals that travel miles to utilize the colony as a primary food source. The influence of the colony continues even after the fish die. Decaying carcasses provide a massive surge of organic material that fuels local food webs and influences the region's carbon cycle. With 60 million nests linked to a single thermal source, this colony has become a central pillar of the Weddell Sea's ecological health. Now that the protective ice shelf has moved, this ancient system is directly exposed to the changing conditions of the Southern Ocean. The region faces increasing pressure from climate events, including record-breaking temperature anomalies like the 38.5 degrees Celsius spike recently observed in East Antarctica. Other threats are encroaching as well, ranging from ocean acidification and plastic pollution to the potential arrival of commercial fishing fleets. Because the entire species' regional copulation is so concentrated in this one area, marine biologists are calling for the immediate establishment of a marine protected area. Protecting this region is the only way to ensure this unique biological system survives the transition into an era of increased human and climatic pressure. Dive deeper into the hidden secrets that shape our reality. Click the subscribe button, activate the bell, and see you in the next scientific investigation, only on TEMBODocs.